Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my February Ipsy Unbagging. So if you guys are interested in finding out with me what's going to be in my bag for this month, then just keep on watching. I'm assuming we're gonna have like a Valentine's Day theme. I see a pink bag. So this is actually a really cute bag. It's like pink and lacy. It's actually really pretty. And let's see what it says on the inside. All right, so the theme is unzipped, and I actually saw some promos online and I thought they were really cool. They were sharing like a bunch of different people's stories and like their relationship with their bodies and stuff. It was really awesome on the Ipsy YouTube. Let's see what's inside. This is actually peeking out. Okay, this is from the brand Sugar. It looks like it's like a lip crayon, and it says Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Viola. So this is like a purpley lip color. So I actually like this shade. It's super mauve-y. It's not too deep, and it actually feels pretty creamy. It is supposed to be matte too, so it actually applies pretty creamy, but maybe it'll dry down matte. So that is definitely a color I would wear. So I'm happy about that I didn't get like neon orange or something. But I've never heard of this brand Sugar. Let me know if you guys got this same product in your bag for this month. And then this is something yellow. Okay, this is a macaroon lip balm from the brand Bubble Bath and Body. I like the shape of it. Let's see what's inside. So if you guys get this, unscrew it. Don't try to pull it like I just did. Okay, so this is a lip balm. And I don't know if this is supposed to be like a lemon scent, but it reminds me of like a hotel soap. Maybe it's just like this like clean scent. So this is a lip balm. It's actually pretty big, and I love just getting lip balms in my bags because I never really buy them. I have a ton that I've gotten in bags before that I just throw into my makeup drawer when I'm prepping like and starting off my makeup. But I actually really like this macaroon style packaging. I think it's super cute, and I will definitely use this. And I've never heard of this brand either, but I think that's actually like a pretty cute product. So I'm actually okay with that, and it's a full size it looks like. And then this is all like products that I've never heard of. So this is Bang Beauty, and this is a blush. Let's see what shade. So this might be a full-size blush. It's actually a decent size. Ooh, this is like a pink shimmery shade. I hope it doesn't swatch too. Okay. I was hoping it wasn't gonna swatch like too pigmented. It does like seem to sheer out a bit. Okay, I can definitely wear this. It's more of like a blush topper once you sheer it out. Yeah, it's not like hot pink. You guys know I like very subtle blushes. I still have a little bit of the lip color on there, but it's more of a subtle like pinky blush. Or you can definitely sheer it out. You could build it up to be a bit more pigmented. But once you swatch it, you can definitely sheer it out. And it has this like golden hue to it, which is really pretty. So I'll actually wear this. It is a little bit brighter than I normally like, but it doesn't need to be as intense as you see in the pan, which I really like too, because I cannot do like super pink blushes. All right, so next we have a Luxie brush. Okay, I'm definitely gonna use this one. This is an eyeshadow brush. It's a $2.49, and it's dual-ended, a crease brush and like a flat brush. I will use both of these. This is worth everything in the bag for me. I always tell you guys I love getting brushes in my bag, especially Luxie brushes, because they're a little pricier and they're like really awesome quality. That's the best thing in my bag so far. And there's just one more thing anyways. Okay, what is this? So the brand is APTO. It's a moisture retaining day lotion for dry and combo skin. So is this like a face lotion or a regular lotion? So this seems like it's a daytime face moisturizer. I was wondering why it wasn't coming out of the tube. Everything in Ipsy bags are always like super packaged up, and this is actually a very lightweight moisturizer, just like squeezed out, so it is something that's like really thin. Okay, and I am not a fan of this scent. It's a very strong floral scent, not like a fresh like light floral scent. It's more of like that strong, like very like, oh, it's just like, it's very strong to me. That's not my vibe. So if you guys get that, it has a very strong floral scent. So that is everything for my Ipsy bag for February. Definitely the brush is my favorite product I got, and I just got a better bag overall last month. So let me know what you guys end up getting in your Ipsy bags for this month in the comments down below. Let me know if you got any of the same products. Let me know if you've heard of any of these other brands that I haven't heard of. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.